a club that kept getting stronger. They finished 41-41, fifth in the Central, 2 games behind Atlanta. And it has come down to this fifth and deciding game between the Celtics and the Pacers. And the tap controlled by Boston. Pacers came from 13 back to win it 116. 113 led by Person and Miller. It's Gamble on Person who fires. Yes, Chuck Person right to it. And the game is tied at 2.
What they're going to try and make him do is put the ball on the floor, go to the basket.
And Chris Paul
% from the floor, but compared to 60, as he did for most of the regular season, he's down quite a bit.
Here's Miller. And Reggie Miller pops from... Took only 8 shots in game 3. Here's Dreiling putting the move on Bird. Dreiling on the recovery, and Bird gets to it. Gamble with Miller back for Lewis. And Indiana back on the transition. Michael Williams trying to answer.
That's the tempo that Indiana wants to play. They're not as concerned about the first 24 minutes as the last 24.
Wild pass by Shaw.
Yeah.
Shaw on the rebound. Lewis with the crossover. Boston 8. To Thompson, he has the good touch from outside. Rebound, Robert Parrish. Bird in the open court. Over Williams.
As Pacers to stay calm, keep running the floor. This is our tempo.
It is a 10-4 Boston lead. Person hears it from the crowd as he unleashes. Chuck Person has hit on his first church strength.
And what it does now is it causes matchup problems for the Celtics. Someone having to guard Person from the perimeter and then Shrimp, who does it inside and out.
And a strong move by Person, who's hit 3 out of 4.
To close down the lane.
Now Shrimp putting the move on Bird. Person for 3. Yes! From straight away, Chuck Person, who last Sunday here on 7 consecutive points, all 7 by Person, and they lead it by 1. Lewis rejected by Thompson, and Reggie Miller has Chuck Person, eluding Bird, but stopped by Lewis. Eric Smith has come on for the first time for the Celtics. Here's Parrish. Yes, and it counts.
Person on the break, loses one defender, but good team play. Hustle back by Reggie Lewis. Bails Larry.
For Reggie Lewis. Parrish with the head fake. Able to regain. Bird off balance.
Bird putting his shoulder down that time, actually trying to create off the dribble, which is unusual with the bad back that he has.
Shrimp. Both clubs shooting well. On to Sacramento, Philly, now Boston. Michael Williams on the pull-up. And the game is tied at 50.
Michael Williams to penetrate to the basket. You've got to get up on him 15 feet from the in the foul line area.
Smith with the step. Penetrate and then rejected by Thompson. Indiana on the run. Williams from deep. Yes. And it's the Pacers 17. First misfire. Looking up. Lewis got a piece of it. Here's Smith. Game is tied at 17. Again, the quick transition. Miller able to answer, and it's Indiana by 2.
And that's the way that the Pacers want to play. Whether it's a miss or a make, they want to come back at the Celtics. They want the Celtics to play their tempo.
First shot rejected by Thompson. Michael Williams. A bad pass. Recovered, though, by Smith. Brian Shaw with a strong move. And back come the blocks by LaSalle. Tied at 19, 4:20 remaining in the first. Smith's guarding Bird. Smith given the open shot. Well, Derek Smith off on Smith's. Brown checks the 24. 10 seconds remain. Bird from downtown. Derek Smith off the offensive board. And Smith's coming off the bench and said he talked to Smith about it, and Smith said, yeah, I agree. I think it's better. if I come off the bench. Nice move by Smith. Derek Smith, 4 for 7 for 8 points. Boston by 6. Fleming rejected by McHale. Boston on the run. Here's Bryant.
A very, very big game. Pressure right away by the Pacers. You're talking about one guy that was playing in Italy last year, another who was playing in college, running the show right now for the Celtics.
McHale with the open shot. Shoved McHale as they jockey for position down low. Smith again open. Yes. Oh, he is on fire. Derek Smith off the bench for 10 points in this first quarter. Fleming for Smiths. And the Celtics now lead 33-20. Larry Bird and Kevin Gamble have returned for the second quarter. Boston 15 of 27 from the field in the first quarter. Nice move by Schrempf. That left Schrempf comes into a 35-27. And Gamble was Ford very disappointed. He felt his backcourt combination lost its poise down the stretch in Indiana Friday. McHale with his second field goal, he has 6. Sanders trying to post up on Gamble. Sanders, Brown reacted. They thought he traveled. And the Pacers are within 6. Bird on a quick release. He has 8. And the Celtics lead at 39-31. Schrempf getting down in a hurry. Detlef Schrempf has connected up in a drought after the hot shooting start. Celtics with a 6-point lead. Bird with the step. He has 10.
A good sign is Bird making a strong offensive move, trying to complete it, taking it.
Being reactivated from a knee injury and has been instrumental in the first half here against Indiana.
Well, the top organizations, the top people always keep their eyes and ears open to pick up someone. How about Golden State, the kid named Ellie right now?
Larry Bird with 12. And the Celtics lead by 7. Williams hits and the foul. A tough move by
Out of their half-court offense, which is so effective when they get unrolled.
Bird wide open. He has 14.
Larry Bird 4 for 4 now in the second quarter.
Celtics by 6. Miller for 3. Reggie.
Because he's in a out of shape. I haven't been able to have a good practice in so long. I'm soft. I used to be hard and firm, he said.
Another layup miss. This time Shaw not able to hit. Indiana down by 4. Beautiful backdoor pass from Person to Miller. And it cuts it to a 2-point deficit. Nice move by Lewis. Reggie Lewis.
That was the whistle right there, thinking it was a double dribble. Didn't notice the deflection.
Williams from deep. Yes. Michael Williams showing his long-range touch. 4.5 remaining in this first half. Bird had it knocked away by Sanders. Parrish on the recovery. Bird is hurt. Brown is down, and he's hurt. Here's Williams for Person. And he's fouled. Hit hard by Parrish.
As Bird goes after the loose ball to try to save it, he does in fact get it, keeps it in play, but he paid for it, struggling right now to get up. Right here, the swipe knocks it free. Bird on the floor, then left hand keeps it alive, but he stays down for a long time. What effort by Larry Bird.
And Larry Bird is headed directly to the locker room for treatment and receives a standing ovation. 3:35 to go in the first half. Nice pass. Foul for Lewis. The missile received by Miller, but he lost it. Shaw. He had it deflected. Parrish on the recovery.
He called it a pass. I don't know what you called it, but he liked the pass idea.
Boston by 2. Spitz back in, operating on Parrish. Nice move by Ricks,
which is very effective for him.
Indiana and Boston tied at 52. Lewis to the fadeaway. McHale rebound. Boston 54. Indiana. So Indiana controls the tip. Schrempf. Yes. Detlef Schrempf has 10. Well, Thompson set a strong pick, but Miller could not use it. Thompson again out for the pick. Takes it on the pick and roll. And is rejected emphatically by Parrish.
Robert Parrish has been outstanding defensively here, anchoring the Celtic defense. In
Performance at the foul line. Boston leads by 1. Celtics 11 for 17 from the line. Person stopped. Miller rejected and fouled. Basket won't count. And McHale, the coach in Bologna, Italy. His team won the Cup of Italy. Before the pros, a longtime assistant at Kansas under Ted Owens and Larry Brown. Reggie Lewis providing Boston with a 1-point lead. Well, they attempted the TD pass, and it did not work. Here's Shaw, fouled by Person.
before a shot takes place.
Lewis backing Miller. Shaw from deep. Ryan Shaw
Pick up. The Celtics know their backs are to the wall right now. They know their leader's not around. Someone else has to step up. Who will that be?
LaSalle Thompson with a solid season. Boston with a 3-point lead. Person for 3. Yes! And the game is tied.
Problem is, if you try and help on Michael Williams coming off, Person steps back behind the three-point line, and it's such a quick release.
13 for Kevin McHale. Boston with a 2-point advantage. Miller off the pick. And Thompson able to get there. Shaw with the steal. Oh, he lost it. Brian Shaw with the Shore 2. Here's Parrish. Favorite basketball floor, the parquet here, and the floor at Madison Square Garden can be tough. But Person said he loves this arena in terms of shooting the ball, as we've seen. Nice move by Shaw, and the Celtics. One of the rare occasions the shot clock is under 10 for Indiana. Nice feed. LaSalle Thompson from Michael Williams, and the game
Clock was underneath, made his move to the basket, drew the next defender, then dumped it off.
Bob Hill telling us that the play of Williams has really helped turn the Pacers around. And here comes Larry Bird. As Michael Williams is covered by Robert Parrish. Pacers, the winner to go on to meet the winner between Atlanta and Detroit. Here's Parrish. LaSalle Thompson, and he has tied it. And Pacers tied at 75. It's been close throughout. Boston a 1-point lead by as many as 10. Person from downtown. What a shot by Chuck Person. Trying to pump his ball club up. Indiana with a 3-point lead. Their composure and poise off the Indiana pressure on Friday night. Bird on the rebound, pumps it out to Lewis. Puts the move on Person. Chuck Connors is a baseball player, first baseman, but unfortunately a fellow by the name of Gil Hodges was the starting first baseman of the Dodger organization. Here's Lewis. Reggie Lewis with Person for 3. Bird on the rebound. minutes remaining in the third. Boston by 1. Reggie Miller's shot rebounded by Bird, who rips it down for Lewis.
Just a sensational look down the floor, and he put it out there just far enough to get it over the defender.
Michael Williams. Point. Celtic lead. Bird with the step on Schrempf. Yes! Celtics 87 and the Pacers 84. Here's Williams. Rebound McHale. Lewis. Boston looking for a foul. Nothing called. Indiana with the numbers. Schrempf. Oh, what a move to the right hand. 86. Just under 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter.
Just when the crowd seems to feel it has a chance to yell a little bit, they come right back at you.
Bird on the reverse. And it counts. Celtic ML Carr jumping up. And had something to say to the official.
And we'll see the towel come out soon.
And Reggie Miller able to hit his fifth field.
Indy wants it harder.
Sanders at 6'6", giving away 3 inches to Bird, who's trying to post him up. Through the foul. Yes! And it counts!
When you're coaching this league long enough, you say to yourself, how many times does he drive that spike?
Lead. 40 seconds left in the third. Off the turnover. Bird fires for Brown. And Brown made his return and certainly sparked the Celtics in the third quarter. They scored 42 points. So much for the theory of fatigue and stamina. Lewis extends to a 102. Brown wanted Parrish to shoot. He had the opening. Takes it to the hoop. Here on NBC. I would think the losing team between Atlanta and Detroit is looking to a major roster shuffle. LaSalle Thompson able to knock it down. And you can see the domination by Boston thus far in the second half. Bird ahead of the field.
Three-point shot. It got its momentum going. It pulled the defense out for Boston. Good things started to happen as they turned it around.
Miller for 3. Reggie Miller looking to shoot. Received the big effort from Derek Smith. He is now getting it from Ed Pinckney. Parrish with the head fake. And the bucket. Plus the foul. Able to regroup. Bird for 3. Larry Bird continues to have his difficulties with a 3-point shot. 1 for 14 from downtown of the serve. Brown got a piece of it. Deep Brown.
Settle him down. Indiana's going to press and trap for the remainder of this game, trying to get back in it.
Well, on Friday night at Market Square, what a move by Michael Williams off the spin.
On the basketball in that stretch run.
And the Celtic guards had their difficulties with the pressure. 3 on the 24. Pinckney. Oh, that's a big bucket. Ed Pinckney with his first field goal. Boston 114. Indiana 99. Here's Person for 3. Yes! Chuck Person hitting on his 4th shot. And rebounded by Williams. Fleming going right at Parrish. Ern Fleming with another stop. Now goes to the 2. That Person not want to create by himself. Bird. Yes. In the 4th. Nice move by Shaw. Williams spotting Miller. Boston now buys. He thought he was hit.
Reggie Miller has a way of kicking the defender as he goes up and trying to draw those fouls. Bird with the bad pass turnover.
And here's Michael Williams. Larry Bird upset. He was looking for a move along the baseline. It's now only a 5-point Celtic lead with just under 2 minutes remaining in the 4th. Parrish kicks it and lost it. The Pacers once again have come driving back into it. Down by only 5. Shrek with the step and the bucket. It's a 3-point Boston lead. And the Celtics call for time with a minute and 4. On Shaw. Bird. Chased by Fleming. There's Brown with 10 on the shot clock. Brown shoots. Bird rebound. And a foul called. It's a loose ball foul.
You have to wonder.
And Larry Bird to the line. He is 7 for 8 from the line. The Bird miss. Bird always among the leaders in free throws, 89% for the season. Person for an open 3. What play by Fleming. Miller for Shrek. And it's down to a 2. Bird draws the double team. 5 on the shot clock. Here's Shaw. And he was tripped up. So Shaw to the line.
40 attempts during the regular season, but when he was with Dallas, he took his share and made a good
lead. At one point, the Celtics were on a roll. Timeout has been called. A critical miss by.
Keep an eye on the Celtics switching on all screens to keep someone at all times on the three-point shooters.
Person is 4 for 7 from downtown. Miller is 2 for 7. They're looking for the 3. Shrek played tightly by Lewis. Pass intended for Thompson left away. And the call by Jess Percy against Boston. The foul picked up by Lewis. Shrek is 5 for 6. It is a 2-point game. 29 and 6/10 seconds remaining in the 4th. Boston 120. Indiana 118. McHale facing the double team, and that's a backcourt violation. He stepped in the backcourt. And then he stepped back.
Both feet in the front court. Left foot did not get all the way over.
Indiana in possession. Down by 2. That's time remaining in regulation. The shot clock turned off. Person for 3, looking to win it. Rebounded by Shaw, and he's fouled by Williams.
He goes with the 3.
What do you think? Trying to come up with the game winner.
Right there with the shot. That's their style.
And Shaw with the clutch free throws. He missed a big one earlier. 4-point lead. No timeouts left. Person fired and hits a 3-pointer. And now the Pacers give the foul. 5 for 8 from downtown.
That one was past downtown. That one is...
2-point lead. Indiana will just whip it down. 3-point lead. And here's Shrek for the Fling. And it is all over.